Welcome back to the channel. We're doing something a little different this time. As you know, I don't have anything specific when it comes to my content. So I've got DieselDucy here in the house, who is an established YouTuber, does elevators. Check him out at DieselDucy.com.
Today we have Jared here. Hey. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. So with that being said, we'll take a silent ride on this amazing elevator. Before we go, you got your light switch. It works. Fan works. Let that wind down before. Emergency stop. That'll hold the door. And since we are in an abandoned building, normally I don't recommend this. I'll let you hear the emergency alarm. Old European telephone. Once that fan winds down, we'll take a ride. Here we go. Go in the basement. Listen to these relays. Has a little bit of plastic leveling. We'll go up to 4, and we'll watch it up at 4.
I'm surprised it's only 1,200 pounds.
Yeah. The other abandoned elevator, it's probably only about 900, 1,000 pounds.
Okay.
I'll show the abandoned elevator, but I can't get in it right now.
Well, I know we'd learn something from you being an expert on these things, so this is great. Thanks for coming by today and checking out my elevator.
Oh, yeah. Now, what I want you to do for me, hold for a second.
All right.
I'll have you run the car up and down for me.
Sure.
Just a second. This right here is your machine room. And there's the motor. Keep the car held for me, please.
Sure.
This is the motor. I'm going to open up this cabinet here, and in here are all your relays. All right, now let the car go.
Hold on a second. I'm getting this certificate right here. It tells you when it was commissioned.
This was commissioned in 1954.
Yeah. So.
All right.
So tell me a little bit about this thing here. So how does?
This is a bottom drive gear traction elevator, meaning the motor goes through a gear reduction to turn the drive pulley.
Gotcha.
High-speed elevators usually are called gearless, but they're a direct drive. So
okay.
If you don't mind, could you press 2, 3, and 4 in the elevator and let it go, please?
We'll see these controls work. Let's see if I can get in here with you.
Watch this. Here's the car leaving. Underslung 2-to-1 roping. Look at that. Be careful, there's moving cables out there. Here is your relay cabinet. Look at those sparks.
A little bit of arcing.
Yeah. If you don't mind, could you call the car back down? It may go. If you pressed all the buttons, it may go again.
It will.
Watch this. Awesome arcing action. If I studied this, I could tell you what each individual relay does, but I'd have to sit here.
Oh yeah. I'm sure some of those terminals need to be cleaned. You see, there's some corrosion on them.